What's up, guys? This is me. I'm back. Master Game Drill. I have not posted in a while, and I am very sorry for that. I don't know when the last time I posted like a month ago, too. But I am so sorry about that. The last video I posted was me getting a cockatiel, but you didn't get to see very much because it was just in the cage. I didn't have. What was the last video you posted? Exactly. But here's my cockatiel, Pete. Say hello. 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 What? Yeah, how long ago?
1 month.
Exactly. What? They really See, as soon as Colton knows I'm posting it, and he posts If you don't actually remember his name, it's Pete. I've had him for about a month now. A month or two.
Uploaded recently. We've been camping.
The only reason he's not, like, he's making a video right now as soon as I am, is because he's getting, like, jealous. Like, I don't know what's the word, like, he said, oh,
You're not sticking your back there. No, baby.
Ha ha.
Clean.
Cool. He's the one that was singing that song, Clean. Look. Hello. He's coming up to you guys. Now what do you want?
Can I say it?
Oh, here's my mom's bird. Kieko. But she's just trying to bite it. Say hello. So, Hahns, Macaw. Oh, did you drop this? It's a treat.
It's ridiculous. I know. It looks great for his age. After all these years, Johnny's reviewed the rock 60s, the 70s, the Western rock and roll, the 80s, the slacker 90s, always super famous, always very delicious.
It makes no sense.
But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it. I will post this video on Saturday, June 17th.